Good experience at Treetop Adventure 1 Utama. First time challenge easy part. Next time we'll come back challenge hard part. Enjoy and so much fun. Good service and easy check-in. Free locker. It was a fun experience for the kids and myself. There was a safety briefing done before the real course. The staff were all very pleasant and helpful. There are 2 courses, a lower and upper one. Defo worth a sweat in the morning. Bring kids challenge Treetop Adventure at 1 Utama. Some part easy to challenge, some part hard for little boy and girls. Tried out the rope climbing experience at 1 Utama and it was such a thrill. It starts off easy but really gets your adrenaline going as you go further. The staff were super helpful and made sure everyone was harnessed up safely. Great workout and definitely a fun challenge, perfect for both kids and adults looking for an active day out. Shout out to How for helping us. The climb area for children below 130 centimeters is quite small. Nevertheless, my little one had an amazing time there although he's climbing on his own. The session is approx an hour. Water vending is available but you must bring your own bottle. Good experience for kids. Suggest to get the child course for first-timer kids, to get some experiences on the adventurous tracks. Super friendly and helpful staff. I booked the ticket via Klook at the last minute, but it worked. Thanks Klook. Very good, my child learned to overcome obstacles and fears. The staff will also follow at her back to aid her. It was a challenging, but thrilling and fun experience and the staff were friendly and helpful. Would highly recommend. We love it so much. Great experience for Lil One. Staff was super helpful, friendly and patient. Double thumbs up for great service.